Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. This will be a speed through video, like always, like I try. So as always, this is a cash envelope stuffing. This is coming out a little later because of delays, but that's neither here nor there. But as far as my weekend, it was actually nice. I enjoyed myself. It was fun. But yeah, so let's go on to this video. So as you know from my last video, I didn't have there was a day short of my paycheck, so they did send me that paycheck this pay period. So it was like $44, but you know, $44 is a lot in some aspects. But like always, we're gonna move this away, move on to our sinking funds. I mean, not sinking funds, to our cash envelopes, which will be my wallets. This has changed a bit, being that, what happened? A lot happened. A lot. I went to the conference and I bought a lot of stuff, and I had to funnel money to support this paycheck. It was a lot. It was a lot. Let's see. So like always, I have my denominations facing the same way. This is the card that I use. As in the last video, I said that I wanted to laminate it and then I'll see if I want to sell it. So this is how it looks laminated, where you have the 0, 0, 620s, 110, 6 5s, 4 ones, and then the total at the bottom. And then at the back you can write the account information, and you can, you know, erase this with hand sanitizer. I tried this and with the hand sanitizer, and it's so easy, so fast. But anyways, that's basically it. Check the link down below to see if I am selling this, and if I'm not, you know, comment down below and let me know if you are interested in buying this. So yeah, so let's get into it. This is basically receipts of the purchase that I purchased. Wow, Friencine, great English. Of the microphone I purchased. Okay, like we do in every video, I normally just go look through everything and see if there's any change. So this is all the change I have. Then we have the me category is getting $20. Which I actually have to do my eyebrows. Entertainment is getting $55. What's happening? Okay. So entertainment is getting $50. So that's 2 20s and 2 5s. Food, I already spent all my food money, so I'm not stuffing that. Because of the delay, I had to do what I told myself I wouldn't do. But yeah, so that's done. Whoa. Now on to my sinking fund. Everything about the wallets that I use should be down in the description box. If it is not, I will just comment down below and I'll put it in there. So now we have our sinking funds, and the first one is car. Car is getting $20, which it was supposed to. Yeah, car is getting 20. Christmas is getting 10. So now we're at $15 for Christmas. It's probably one person's gift. Then gifts. Gift is getting 25, and it already has 6, so right now it is 31. Then oh, because I was like, I'm missing something. This is actually really a wide view, and I'm normally like here with you guys. Yeah, I like this one better. Yes, so we're missing something. Anniversary. So, anniversary, yes. Anniversary has 21. We're adding 25 to it. So now we have 45, 46. $46 in this category. That is great. So now back to Doctor, which is, yes, right here. We're adding another 5. So now we have 15. Emergency fund. I don't think I have an emergency fund saved. Oh, right here. See, I know I wasn't bugging. So we are adding $4. That's the 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 114. Then we have stickers. So I have been making cash envelopes. Hold on, let me be right. So I have been making cash envelopes, and these are a few of them. These are like the small slim. I would call them slim if I was to sell them, because it's smaller than my normal cash envelopes, but it does the job. And then I also made a few big ones. This one is my favorite so far, and this is like my second favorite. So I've made a few so far. I'm waiting to have a giveaway, but you guys would have to get me to 1,000 subscribers in order for me to do a giveaway, and I can do a giveaway on cash envelopes. And you guys can pick whichever font you like from my category, and I can ship it out to you guys. Ship out a few sets just for a thank you. Yeah. Where was I? Yeah, stickers. I'm all over the place. So stickers. Have 15. Give me. So stickers have 15. Put another 10. Now we have $20. So I wanted to show you how it fits in the small one. This is how the dollar fits. It's really snug. It's not going anywhere. But the big ones, this is how the dollar fits. There's room. There's more give to, you know, have a stack of money in it. This is like something where you're going to grocery shop and you don't need that much give. But yeah, this is really cute. This is really my favorite pattern. So yeah, so I might actually sell these. So instead of the plastic Ziploc cash envelopes that I was using before, I created my own because I was like, it can't be that hard. And these were my first trial run. And I am living for this pattern, and I'm living for this pattern. And then these two are like cool. This one is cool, that one is cool, but it's not as bright and vibrant as these. So yeah, so that's basically the size. It's really, really small compared to this. So it's like slim, thick, with your cutie. Ooh, ooh. So yeah, and then after I noticed the sizing was wrong, I did my second batch of trial and error. So these are what it is looking like right now. There are some with cardstock, and there's also some with paper. I like the cardstock better. Let me zoom it out. So we have this. We have this. We have this. This is the same one. We have this. Along with this. And then basically. So that's basically the cash envelopes that I've been experimenting with. I might actually change out my old ones, but I don't have a hole puncher. So if I were to sell it, it would be sold unhole punched. And yeah, basically it. But these are what I'm dealing with now. I might switch these categories to here. And the thing about them is that you can put the Sharpie on the lamination, cross it out, and you'll be good. You'll be straight. But that's because I don't have a hole puncher. I just leave it in the back like this, fold it up, button, and we good. So that basically concludes our cash envelope stuffing. Nothing big and extravagant. I don't have any announcements to make besides the cash envelopes that I created. Other than that, how's your day been? How's your week? How was your weekend? Because I know how my weekend was. A lot of money was spent. But yes, how was your weekend? How's your budget going? Are you on track? What are your milestones that you have overcome? And so on and so forth. Let's get this comments rolling. So yeah, so I'll see you in the next one. It's really late and I'm really tired. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. But yeah, bye.